Today, we are heading west to explore an extraordinarily picturesque village. This trip took place at the end of summer, and the still warm rays of sunshine added a positive charm to this short visit. Put on your comfortable shoes and join me as we wander through Piddlehinton. The exact date of Piddlehinton's founding is unknown, but the village traces its roots back to Saxon times. It was mentioned in the Domesday Book of 1086, commissioned by William the Conqueror as part of agricultural lands in the region. This suggests that the village existed even earlier, likely developing around the River Piddle, which was essential for farming and daily life. Piddlehinton was originally known as Hine Piddle, meaning Marsh of the Monks. This name was later corrupted to Honey Puddle, a name resurrected by the Lovelace family for their bungalow on Rectory Hill in the 1970s. In 1997, Piddlehinton received the prestigious award for Best Kept Village in the Small Village category in Dorset, and 8 years later, it was recognized as the Best Community Village. Such competitions are organized to promote care for the aesthetics and cleanliness of villages, as well as their community spirit. This serves as a form of recognition for the residents' efforts in maintaining the appearance and atmosphere of their village. According to the 2011 census, the parish of Piddlehinton had a population of 403. This number reflects the small but stable nature of the rural community. We are approaching the Church of St. Mary, which was dedicated in 1299. The current structure dates mainly from the 15th century, with the tower built somewhat earlier. The interior of St. Mary's Church in Piddlehinton features beautiful wooden pews and a richly decorated altar that reflects the traditional English Gothic style. The stained glass windows depict biblical scenes, with the oldest dating back to the 16th century, adding a historic charm to the interior. The church also houses a historic pipe organ, which is still in use for services and concerts. Until the early 19th century, the area around Piddlehinton was characterized by open arable fields and extensive pastures for sheep and cattle. The Enclosure Act of 1830 transformed these lands into the large grain fields we see today. Piddlehinton captivates with its architectural diversity, featuring traditional thatched cottages, stone village homes, and classic brick buildings typical of Dorset. The village showcases a harmonious blend of historic dwellings and subtly integrated modern structures. Every corner of the village tells the story of evolving building styles that reflect local tradition and the influences of different eras. Our walk through the charming village of Piddlehinton is now coming to an end. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.